Morning, everybody. I had to turn off the air conditioner in here so you could hear me. It's very hot and very humid outside. Today I'm in an open collab. That's right, an open collab. And it is hosted by Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. That's right. And it's called Tea Tuesday. Yep, Tea Tuesday. And, oh, sugar. My beverage of choice is a 3-berry sugar drink. It's a juice. It's a 3-berry sugar-free juice. It's so good. I'm trying to pull away from sweet tea some. Well, it's very hot here, like I said. So I went searching through the Brenda Wanden book, Lingering Around the Table, you all. Yes. And I found a no-bake dessert, so you don't have to heat up your kitchen. Yay, we don't want to heat up our kitchen. Oh, no, no, no. So let me tell you what it is. It's called a lemon cheesecake. No bake. And I'll hold it up so you can get a still on it. It's right here. Goodness gracious, sorry. That was my bad hand I was trying to hold it with. It says lemon cheesecake. The great thing about this easy dessert is you can top it with whatever you have. That's great. It's a no-cook, quick dessert. I like to serve it with lots of different toppings like fresh fruit, chopped pecans, and chocolate syrup. That would be sugar-free chocolate syrup, but if we do cheat once in a while. You need one 8-ounce block of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 14-ounce of canned sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 6-ounce package of graham cracker pie crust. I wonder why a 1 6-ounce package of graham cracker pie crust. I don't think on the pie crust it gives the ounces, does it? If it does, I never noticed. And then it says mix the cream cheese, the condensed milk, the lemon juice, and pour into a pie crust. Refrigerate for several hours until it's firm. How about that? They've topped this one off with strawberries, and it's strawberry season here in Maine. Well, linger around the table, you all. This is by Brenda Wanden. She's a wonderful, wonderful cook. I can't say enough about her. She's a Christian woman. I hope you try this. I think I'm going to try it. The only thing that scares me is the sweet condensed milk. That's got a lot of sugar in it. I don't think they make sugar-free. That would be kind of silly if they did. I'll put the recipe in the description box and you can go ahead and get it. I appreciate you coming in. You can come and go as you please on Tea Tuesday, and you can do whatever you want on Tea Tuesday. You can read, you can color, you can paint, you can write notes, you can sing, whatever you want. Yeah, whatever you want. Happy Tea Tuesday, everybody. Have a great day. God bless. And we'll see you tomorrow on Budget Meals. And that's an open collab to all. Have a great day. God bless. Bye now.